Let's make
popsicle.
Yay! We need
Sugar. Milk.
and cups,
Cup.
sticks,
Tea. Bowl.
and a spoon and a
Cup.
yes. Let's get ready. We
1, 2,
pour we pour some milk in the cup. We
Yeah,
need
and-
1 cup.
Yeah.
Yeah? Can you help me?
Yeah.
Pour the milk in the cup. Oh, that's enough.
I want to.
All right. You pour it in the bowl. Good job.
More.
Yeah, no, that's enough. And we need a bit of
Sugar.
sugar. Just a little. Add some sugar. A bit more. A little more. Okay, let me add. Oh, enough. Now we have to stir. Stir. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. Can I help you? My turn. You are doing great.
You want to make popsicles.
Yes, then we have to pour them in the cups.
And put it in the freezer.
Yes, put it in the freezer. Okay, now I have to do it, huh? I pour the mixture in the cups and you put the sticks inside.
Okay.
Up top. 1,
2, 3.
Oh, make 4 of them. I think that's enough. Okay, put the sticks inside. Okay.
You want to make chocolate?
Another one? Okay. Put it in the freezer. Yay!